Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Moonpay so that you can start buying your cryptos quickly and safely on this platform. First of all, you need to log in into your Moonpay account with the help of your registered email address and password. If you are new here, you will need to create an account and complete your identity verification before making any of the deposits. Now you are going to get two different options of getting the crypto in your Moonpay account. The first method is very traditional. You just have to tap on the option of this buy tab that you see here on the home page. After that, you can select the cryptocurrency which you want to buy. It can be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or you can also press this drop down menu in order to select any of the cryptocurrencies that are available here. After that, you need to enter the amount of USD which you want to spend in order to purchase the cryptocurrency. Then it is going to show you the equivalent amount of cryptocurrency which you are going to get. After pressing this continue option here in the bottom, you need to select the payment method which you want to basically use in order to make the payment. It can be debit card, it can be a credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or sometimes bank transfers. So after concluding the payment, you will be able to deposit your desired cryptocurrency here in your Moonpay account. In the second method, what you can do is you can simply just deposit the cryptocurrency from any of your external wallet or exchanges to your Moonpay account. If you are interested in that, simply come here on this home page. Over here, you will see the option of Moonpay account. So you can click on the option of view all in the top right hand corner. You will see that you can deposit only Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana over here. So if you want to deposit these three cryptocurrencies, you can just simply click on the copy button right next to any of these and you can start the sending process. So let's say I have some Solana in my Binance account, and let's say I want to send Solana from there. So you need to copy the Solana address because you will need it in order to send the cryptocurrency from your wallets or exchanges. After copying it, you need to open that particular wallet or exchange of yours in which you have the cryptocurrency and which you want to basically deposit in your Moonpay account. So here, since I have selected Solana, simply tap on the option of assets here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to select Solana. Then click on the option of send over here. Then select the option of on-chain withdrawal. Over here, you need to press the address that you have copied from your Moonpay account. In the network, you need to select the Sol network. After that, enter the amount of Solana which you want to basically send from here. Then press the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you need to simply take a look at the transaction, whether everything that you have entered here is right. Now, after the confirmation of your transaction from your wallets or from your exchange, you are going to deposit your crypto in your Moonpay account. So with the help of these two options, you will be able to deposit money on Moonpay. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below with the next tutorial you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.